Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. Have you ever opened Google Chrome and wondered, where is the home button? Or maybe you've seen it on someone else's browser and thought, I want that too. Well, in this quick and helpful tutorial, I'll show you how to add the home button to Google Chrome, and even better, how to set it to open any website you want with just one click. So go ahead, relax, and follow along with me step by step. All right, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, let's take the fastest route to the settings we need. Go ahead and click the plus icon to open a new tab. Now, look toward the bottom right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Customize Chrome. Let's click on that. Great. You'll notice a panel opening on the right side of the screen. From here, slowly scroll down until you see Toolbar. Go ahead and click on it to expand the options. Now, this section controls which buttons appear on your Chrome toolbar. And this is exactly where we want to be. Look under the navigation area. Right here, you'll see the Home button option. Let's toggle it on. And just like that, take a look at the top of your browser. You can now see the Home button sitting neatly next to the address bar. Nice. We can toggle other options here too, like forward or refresh, but for this video, our main focus is the Home button. Now, let's take this one step further. By default, the Home button already has a website attached to it, so let me click on it and see where it takes us. All right, as you can see, it opens localhost. That's definitely not what I want. I want my Home button to take me straight to google.com. So let's change that. Move your mouse to the top right corner of Chrome and click on the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main menu. From here, click on Settings. You'll be taken to a new page where you can customize your browser. Now, scroll down until you find the Appearance section. Right here, you'll see Show Home button. You'll notice it's already turned on, and that's because we enabled it earlier. Just below it, you can decide what the Home button actually opens. You can leave it on New Tab page, or you can enter a custom web address. Since the current one is set to localhost, let's change it. I'll click inside the URL field, delete that, and type google.com. Once that's done, you don't need to save anything. Just close the Settings tab. Now let's test it. I'll click the Home button again. And there you go. It takes us straight to the Google search homepage. Clean, fast, and very convenient. And if you ever decide you don't want the Home button anymore, you can simply repeat the same steps and toggle it off. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add and customize the Home button in Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video. Drop a comment below and subscribe for more simple Chrome tips, Windows tricks, and productivity tutorials. Until next time, stay blessed and keep coding smarter, not harder.